Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Moon, and today we're gonna make OOBLECK.
Yeah, today we're going to do another DIY for you guys. We're gonna make OOBLECK this time. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Moon as well as Sweet Buds for more videos. We're going to be posting every day for this channel, but in Sweet Buds we're going to be posting every week. So go head over there and subscribe so you guys can all be updated. So first up, we're going to talk about the ingredients. What do we need?
Cornstarch, flour, water, and
a bowl and a mixing utensil. So we have half cup of water and 1 cup of cornstarch.
Yeah.
Then we're going to put them inside the bowl and stir it nicely. So first up,
is this all the ingredients we need?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought we need salt.
I'm going to put in the water because it's going to be hard for you. You can put in the flour. Be careful.
Flour?
Oh, cornstarch. Okay, let's do it together because we don't want it to spill everywhere. Okay, you can hold it this way, side, and
open it. Ah! Ow! Now you put the water. The water is going to be the best brownie ever.
Brownie? Okay, so let's get the water.
And then be careful, it's not going to spill.
Then pour it in.
Ew!
Okay, I'm going to mix it.
It looks like
first.
yeast water.
Mm-hmm.
Like we make for pizza.
And you keep stirring it in.
Stir it.
Do it slowly, very, very slowly. Also need some food coloring. So we're going to use
you can do
green.
it. You can do it so hard.
Oh gosh, it is hard to mix.
Is the flour all under? I mean, I'm
Cornstarch.
Why do I keep saying flour?
Because, yeah, sometimes I keep saying flour too.
Because it looks like flour.
Is this a solid or liquid?
A solid?
No.
Liquid. Liquid.
No. It's a non-Newtonian fluid.
What's a fluid? Is it liquid and fluid lime?
Look, so it's both solid and liquid. Do you know where the name came from?
Why?
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Oh yeah. And from Bradley.
So based on the force of it, it changes pressure. So let's put our hands in and test it out.
We usually have.
Okay, guys, I think we got the right amount. So I'm going to test it out right now.
Me too.
Wait, I do it first because the bowl's not too big for both of us to fit. So I'm going to
It feels weird.
It feels like solid. Oh my gosh, guys, look. I don't know if you can see it.
It's liquid. It's coming in my hands.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's solid. Look.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if you guys can see, but look.
Hey, look, if you keep on doing this, you can get it out.
It feels so cool.
I don't think it's solid yet.
It's solid and liquid. So when you like
Stop it!
oh no. Okay, so we need to take our hands off this thing. And, oh my gosh. Add some food coloring. I think we should have done this before, but
Yeah.
I think that pop is enough.
Monsters.
Mm-hmm.
Look at monsters.
Let's mix it all
Good
in.
ninja.
Mix it all in.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's the masterpiece.
Yes.
Now it's done. Look at my hands, it's all green.
Okay.
Looks
guys,
like I'm lime. I'm lime the monster. Oh.
It just feels very unique
What?
compared to slime.
What is this?
feels
It's
way
like,
better.
what's that lock stuff? What is that?
It's the solid part, remember?
Don't
Okay.
put it all over my hands. Put it your hands.
Okay, take your hands off. Okay, let's try this and see if it goes. Oh my. Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's solid.
It's.
Look. Okay.
Take your hands off.
Okay.
Like off.
It feels like
And
plastic.
show them.
show.
Look, guys, it's not going inside.
My hands is all over green. Wait,
Okay, so
raindrops.
let's just like make it solid together.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, wait.
Oh my gosh, guys, look, it's a ball. And then solid.
Look,
liquid.
Look, guys, look.
You do it.
Ah!
Yeah.
It's so fun playing with OOBLECK.
Uh-huh.
You guys should try this at home too.
Uh-huh.
It's so fun.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Ah!
I think most of it's on the table.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a little ball and then let go.
Make a ball. Look. It's so hard.
Okay, let's make a ball. And then
Look!
it's like instant ice. It's like melting.
Wait, it looks like ice cream. It's like ice cream melting.
Oh my gosh. It feels so satisfying when it melts. Look. It's all over your hands.
Oh my, wait. I got cornstarch. Oh my gosh, it looks like I have tattoo. Hey, do you want to try it like when it melts?
Uh-huh.
Get the solid
Okay,
part and then
let's make it into a big solid rock.
yeah.
Trying to get more and more.
It's
It's already melting. It's kind of hard to keep doing this. Okay.
it got some in my nose. Look.
You can't really see it because it's so tiny.
Yeah. It's so satisfying, you guys.
Remember when we made Play-Doh?
Yeah. It looks like the same thing.
No, that one was different. And if you haven't checked out the slime videos, I should go check that out. And now let's let go.
Oh no!
Did you do that?
No, it's magic. I didn't do it, but
Guys.
evil wizard.
Look, it's.
Oh my god! It's so.
Uh,
Stop it!
Oh no. Let's show them. I don't think they saw it yet. They can only see our bowl of. You don't want it to fall. Okay, let's make it into solid.
So fun playing with
Then
OOBLECK.
liquid.
Say, try to blow it.
Oh yeah, by the way, if after you guys are done playing with it, just put it in the trash can
Oh, why?
because you can't reuse it. After you're done, just throw it away.
Look, it's solid
Uh-huh.
on the table.
Kind of feels like cornstarch a little bit.
Look.
Guys, we're going to end the video right here. Hope you guys liked this video and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.